Want to master Jasper reports from beginner to advanced? You're in the right place. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the full Jasper reports tutorial series. In today's video, let's add logo to Jasper reports. Whenever you want to add logo to Jasper reports, there are two common ways: static and dynamic. Okay, we loaded dynamic images from a database. You can watch this video from the video description, there is no problem. But today, let's add a static image. To add a static image, in the first step, what we want to do? We want to create a folder inside this project. Simple, right click on that, then we have new. We want to create, for example, images folder, then finish. Thereafter, what we want to do? We want to add image to that folder. Just copy that, just copy that and paste it here, okay? So, in the next step, let's drag and drop image element. We want to add this image element, simple drag and drop here. So, as you can see, we have different options. We want to select this one workspace. Thereafter, we have browse button. Just click on that. Then we want to select this logo. Okay. So let's make that bigger. We want to make that full size. That is good. Let's save the changes. Then we want to preview the report to see the result. Okay. As you can see now, we have logo. Thereafter, we have title. That is good. So today we successfully added logo to Jasper reports. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.